Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide players on Dress to Impress. You can only hide them in the game, obviously. You cannot hide them on the runway. But if they're being annoying, you can actually hide them now. Go to settings and you're just going to select hide. And as you can see, now it looks like there's nobody around. Which I think is pretty cool. It does defeat a little bit like the purpose of having like a private server, I guess. Um, but at least you still get your own money. But that's how you can hide players. You can show the players by pressing that button again. If you want to hide a specific player, you can. Let's hide Luna here in front of me. So hide specific and then select Luna and press hide. And as you can see, that player is the only one that's hidden. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.